Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will see how to create CSV file using Java. So here, CSV stands for comma separated values. While working with Java, you might come up a situation where you want to represent your data in the format of CSV. That is basically tabular data. So you need to create the CSV file for that. And that's what we are going to do in this video. If you are not aware, then let me quickly show you how CSV file looks like. So this is the example of CSV file that we are going to create in this video. And here we can say that we have this column header, okay? Actually this is comma separated values, and you can open CSV file with any of your text editor. Also you can open with Microsoft Excel as well. So MS Excel will give you better idea, okay? So we can say that this is our column header and we have two rows, okay? Now this is our CSV file. Let's open it with Notepad++, okay? So this is how actually it look like, okay? It will be better view in the Microsoft Excel, but this is the actual data. You see, this is our header and separated by comma. So the values are separated by comma. That's why it's CSV. So this is what we are going to create in this video. Let me close this and this as well, okay? Let's delete this one because hello.csv we are going to create in this video at this location. Now let's come back to our Eclipse, and first we will create the string builder object. So string builder, here we need to append our values, and in between them we need to have comma. So the better is go with the string builder. You can go with string as well, okay? But the better option is to go with the string builder. So append, the first is our column header, okay? So name, and then we need to comma, so that our separator, okay? Now the next is website, and we need to have comma to separate it. So every value we need to separate by comma, okay? And at last we need to append country. So this is our first line. Now we need to go on to the next line. So what we will do, we will append /n over here. That's it. So this is our column header, or you can say the first line in our CSV file. Now let me copy this. Now this is our row 1 for our data, okay, after the column header. So name is Raj, website www.infibuzz.com, and country India. Now let's save another row for our data. Name is John, website same, infibuzz.com, and say country is USA. So our data is ready, what we want to write into the CSV file. Now here we will use file writer along with automatic resource management to create the CSV file. If you don't know how to create file in Java, then I have already made a video, and that you will get on the top in the eye icon. Now let's save try catch block first, because our Java IO operation might throw exception, okay, while creating the file. Now to use the automatic resource management, with our try block, create the object of file writer equal to new file writer, and provide the file name. So in our example, location is D drive and temp directory, okay? And inside that we want to create the hello.csv file. Now using this object we will write the data to our CSV file, this one, okay? So we need to call the write method, and we need to pass the string value. So using the string builder object to string, and let's say one sysout over here, or you can have it over here as well. CSV file created. That's it. Now let's run our Java application. CSV file created. Okay, let's go to our location and here we go. This is our CSV file. Okay, you can open it in the any text editor, say Notepad or Notepad++. See. So this is how you can create CSV file using your Java application. Link for the source code I will provide in the description. Apart from this, in the description you will find the links for the courses that I am offering, like building the REST APIs with Spring Boot and Spring Data JPA, building microservices with Spring Boot and Spring Cloud, GraphQL with Spring Boot, MongoDB NoSQL database with Spring Boot, Graph database Neo4j with Spring Boot, RabbitMQ messaging with Java, Spring Boot and Spring MVC. Building the reports from your Java and Spring Boot application with Jasper Reports. Java messaging service with Spring Boot, Spring MVC and Apache ActiveMQ. Links for these courses are given in the description. So click on the link and start learning new technologies. If you like the video, then please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, like the video, do comment in the comment section and share with your friends. We'll see you in the another video. Till then, happy learning and happy coding.